Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on transforming how organizations deliver services. We'll be exploring how intuitive, mobile-first experiences are putting users in control. The focus will be on the ServiceNow service portal and how it empowers seamless self-service experiences. Over the next few slides, we'll dive into the key features and benefits of this innovative approach. So let's get started. This powerful platform really transforms the way we work. It allows employees, customers, and partners to easily access services, submit requests, browse knowledge articles, and manage approvals, all with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. It's designed to make these processes simple and straightforward. Service Portal is ServiceNow's modern, mobile-friendly web interface. It's built to revolutionize how users interact with enterprise services, making the experience much more intuitive. Because it's based on responsive design principles, it provides a seamless experience across all devices, whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. So, in essence, Service Portal is about making service interactions smoother, faster, and more user-friendly, aligning perfectly with our goal of enhancing productivity and user satisfaction across the organization. Let's talk about how this service portal dramatically reduces support costs. It does this by empowering users with self-service capabilities, meaning they can resolve many issues on their own without needing to wait for support. Plus, it uses intelligent automation to handle common problems quickly, often resolving issues before they even escalate. This combination not only saves time, but also cuts down on support expenses. Next on the slide, you'll see cost efficiency. This is really about delivering an intuitive navigation experience. The design is responsive, so it adapts seamlessly to any device, whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or mobile. The goal here is to ensure a consistent, high-quality experience no matter how users access it. And that brings us to superior experience. By centralizing IT, HR, facilities, and various business services into one easy-to-navigate hub, we eliminate the frustration of juggling multiple systems. It's all about making access simple and streamlined for the user. Finally, understanding unified access is key. Having everything in one place not only boosts efficiency, but also improves user satisfaction. When all services are integrated into a single platform, it really highlights the value of the service portal, making work easier and more productive for everyone. And that's why the service portal matters. It's about delivering value through simplicity, efficiency, and a better overall experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the core building blocks of the service portal's architecture. First, we have widgets. These are dynamic, interactive components powered by AngularJS. They're responsible for delivering real-time content and functionality, whether that's displaying catalogs, dashboards, or search interfaces. Think of them as the interactive elements that keep the portal engaging and responsive to user needs. Next, we have layout frameworks. These are the structures that organize our content. They provide a responsive grid system, which is essential for ensuring that everything looks good and functions properly across all screen sizes, whether someone is on a desktop, tablet, or phone. Finally, containers form the foundation layer. They define the overall structure of the portal and can be shared across multiple portals. This helps us maintain a consistent branding and user experience, making sure that no matter where users go, they encounter a familiar and cohesive environment. Putting it all together, these three components, widgets, layout frameworks, and containers work in harmony. They create a flexible, powerful, and reusable architecture that forms the backbone of a truly effective service portal. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features and capabilities that make this solution so powerful. First, we leverage Now Assist for virtual agent capabilities and intelligent search. This means it truly understands user intent and can deliver precise, relevant results quickly, making the user experience much more seamless and efficient. Next, the system seamlessly connects with various ServiceNow applications like the Service Catalog, Knowledge Base, Surveys, Approvals, and more. This creates a unified workflow across different functions, so everything works together smoothly without gaps or silos. Moving on to branding and theming, this is where customization really shines. You can easily tailor colors, logos, fonts, and other visual elements to match your organization's identity. The goal is to create a cohesive brand experience that feels familiar and professional. And finally, the responsive design feature ensures that layouts and components automatically adapt to different devices, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, without losing functionality or ease of use. This adaptability is crucial in today's mobile-first world, ensuring your users always have a great experience, no matter how they access the platform. Now let's talk about access control. To configure the portal, develop widgets, and deploy them securely, roles like admin or SB admin are essential. This helps us maintain governance and security across the platform. Next, building template-driven widgets is a key strategy. These templates promote consistency, which is crucial for a professional look and feel. They also reduce maintenance overhead and speed up our development cycles, making our work more efficient. When it comes to creating or modifying widgets, we leverage a combination of HTML, CSS, AngularJS, and server-side scripts. This gives us the power to develop sophisticated functionalities and interactions that enhance user experience. For visual design, we use the Portal Designer. It allows us to build and preview pages visually using a simple drag-and-drop interface. The best part is, for basic layouts, no coding is required, which makes it accessible and straightforward to use. Finally, this entire approach, whether it's access control, template reuse, or visual design, connects back to our overall goal: creating a secure, consistent, and efficient platform that meets our users' needs with minimal hassle. Implementations require careful planning, especially when it comes to domain separation, pop-up handling, and cross-portal functionality. These aspects are crucial to ensure both security and a smooth user experience. When you're designing these features, think about how to isolate data properly and manage interactions across different portals to prevent any security gaps or user confusion. Now, let's talk about planning requirements. One key point is that container variables can't include nested catalog variables. This is due to AngularJS rendering limitations, which can complicate complex form designs. As a result, you'll often need to find workarounds to handle these situations effectively. Moving on to catalog variable nesting, some traditional ServiceNow features like UI macros and client-side UI actions aren't supported within the service portal. This means you'll need to explore alternative approaches, such as developing custom widgets, to achieve the desired functionality. While Service Portal is indeed very capable, understanding its limitations is vital. Recognizing these constraints up front allows you to plan more effectively and helps you avoid common pitfalls during implementation. By keeping these technical considerations in mind, you can ensure your deployment is both secure and user-friendly, aligning with the overall goal of delivering a seamless and reliable portal experience. Now, let's talk about how our processes have become much more efficient. For example, tuition reimbursement requests that used to take weeks to process now get approved in just a few days. How is this possible? Thanks to Now Assist AI, which automatically routes approvals and verifies documentation quickly and accurately. This automation means we eliminate manual processing, reducing errors and saving time across the board. Plus, we're using analytics to track usage patterns, helping us continually optimize our services and better meet employee needs. And with AI-powered assistance, users are guided more effectively, finding solutions faster and with less frustration. All of this comes together in the Employee Center portal, which offers a personalized, unified experience. Employees can access HR services, IT support, workplace requests, and more, all from a single intuitive interface. This transformation is really about enhancing the overall employee experience, making it smoother, faster, and more engaging. As we see in this real-world example, the Employee Center portal is a key part of that journey. Now, let's look at how our solution grows seamlessly with your business. As your needs evolve, it adapts without requiring major rearchitecture, ensuring your operations stay agile and efficient. This scalability directly translates into faster, more responsive service that really meets users where they are. By doing so, we improve the overall experience and foster greater loyalty among your customers. One of the key benefits here is enhanced satisfaction. By reducing the workload on your support team through self-service options, routine inquiries are handled more efficiently, freeing up resources for more complex issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also boosts employee morale. Speaking of savings, we're seeing a 30% increase in employee and customer satisfaction scores, thanks to intuitive portal experiences that make interactions smoother and more straightforward. Plus, on average, service request fulfillment times are reduced by 65%, thanks to automation and self-service capabilities that speed up resolutions. And when it comes to faster resolution times, reducing them by 40%, it means your team can solve issues more quickly, keeping disruptions minimal. All these benefits, improved satisfaction, efficiency, and speed, come together to deliver a strong return on investment and tangible business impact, reinforcing how this solution truly supports your growth and success. Let's wrap up by highlighting how you can truly transform your service delivery and empower your users with the ServiceNow Service Portal. It's a platform where creating exceptional user experiences goes hand in hand with achieving operational excellence. The idea is to make services more accessible and intuitive for everyone involved. Remember, you can unlock the power of self-service starting today. By encouraging your users to find solutions on their own, you reduce the load on your support teams and improve overall efficiency. Connecting with the ServiceNow community is a fantastic way to do this. You'll find thousands of developers sharing widgets, best practices, and tackling challenges together. It's a vibrant space for collaboration and innovation. Don't forget, comprehensive resources are available to support your journey. From detailed documentation and tutorials to certification courses designed specifically for service portal development, everything is at your fingertips to help you succeed. Getting started is easy. Just navigate to your instance, ServiceNow.com/SB, explore the baseline portal, and begin customizing your service portal experience. It's all about making your service delivery smarter, faster, and more user-centric. So take advantage of these resources, join the community, and start transforming your service approach today. Thank you.